Hello viewers, welcome to Proficiency in French Level 2. I'm sure that you are here because you are very motivated to learn French. Would you like a few statistics first? 274 million people speak French. In 29 countries, it is an official or co-official or a de facto national language. There are 72 million partial French speakers overall. French shares official status with other languages in many countries across the world. In this era of globalization, more French companies than ever before are doing business in dozens of countries around the world, including India. Now, let me give you some details about this course, Proficiency in French Level 2. Since this is an online course, you can go at your own pace. In this journey with us, across 10 chapters, you will be made to understand the intricacies of French grammar and vocabulary. This is done through a short thematic-based text which supports both these elements. You will also find a bilingual glossary which gives you the meaning of all the new words used in the text. There are ample examples to illustrate and explain the grammar. This is followed by revision and short exercises. We have also included FAQs to help you further. All explanations are given in English for greater clarity. Plus, you are free to go back and forth as many times as you like until you understand the concepts perfectly. There is no reason to be daunted by grammatical terminology. There are assignments and self-assessment exercises to help you monitor your progress. At the end of the course, there will be a final evaluation in the form of a test. Now that you know how useful a foreign language, in this case French, can be, and you know the details of the organization and structure of the course, we hope you will work hard and soon be proficient enough for basic communication. It will increase your analytical and problem-solving skills and improve your self-confidence. So, enjoy this language adventure and learn well. Good luck, or bonne chance, as they say in French.